Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman ang kaibigan nyo si Jake from Bacolod City. Kung gusto nyo guys mag-aral ng Master in Computer Science, Master in Information Technology, and Master Information System, mag-enroll na po kayo sa Recoletos de Bacolod Graduate School. Nag-offer po kami ng courses in Master in Computer Science. Meron din kaming Master of Information Systems, and then we have also Master of Information Technology. At sa guys, magiging teacher nyo po ako. Flexible po ito, online class kami lahat, Kahit saan panig man kayo ng mundo, pwede kayo makapag-aral sa amin dito. What you are waiting for? Enroll now at Recoletos Graduate School. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Please follow me in my Facebook page. Thank you guys. Ingat po tayo lagi.